me dofopa what is saying mantini aka no se den mate wo ho ye dia mate otwe dia mpon no a wotonsu kase egu amanamana so onto bi nwo abrabo so no abrabo mfefe aduawa a ede nimdie ye die ne nkoso bebrɛ wo se me saying amen me te Adom TV ede Nkuranhyɛ dwumadie na me de brɛ wo ediam je so ene ni tekotego ba kopɛ na enese so no asema me de eba ne se one kasa wa mamre ne de what is your personal culture ye ka mamre a ye wa mamre ahodo bebere wo hia Nigeria ni a o wa mamre wo hia China ni a o wa mamre wo hia America ni a won wa mamre enta mamre na edanipa soronko enti wo hia obi a ne suban ne ye ne kasa ene ne ntare hyemu ene ne ma o ye nyina kire se we de o ye ni pessimist even Ghana e wo kra na wo hia se be framantem ni a o tie ni din na hwe ne ye se wo jabe wo ye igbeni o se ani nya gbogboto amanye o hwe ni pani din ne ye ne kasa se ganji bo na aka me ganji mi ena o hwe ni pani din na hwe se we de jabe o fo se kurum o so se tuna na ne me che se ni su ne kasa ni ntare hyem ne ye ene ne oma ya esomboma no no e kire empo na mamre be bi ofriba na nipaku amamre de ye nanso na de ma men kan kire se ehia etwa to say one kasa bepo amamre. When God formed you from the dust of the earth, he breathed into you a breath of life, and that breath of life was a communication of the attributes of God in you. Onyame esa dotie eno de ye wo no ye no butu so eno oje ahome egu mu sa ahome na oje ye no odni su ene ban ene hye wo mu niche se wonam we ye onyame mapa na wonye onipa keke wo ye onyame sunsum. Therefore the image that was designed in such a way that you must function based on the attributes of God. You must function based on the mandate of God, because you're not just human, you're not just a woman, you're not just a man. You are an image of God with the breath of God residing in you. Until you nyame su in the Bible. Na mom dia ba ne se ya wo to wiase a bebi ebe wo ato no utiko yi a ebi na ohanya abusua papa utiko yi na bi akoda ku papa m na ebi akoda ba bi a wona mamne na ebetete wo wo de ntimi nye we ya fa ne se na asi Yankopon so ne ba na wo de hye omu no kwan. So by the time abenya be 10-12 years no, you lose that image, that capacity, that attribute of God. And then you become more of a Ghanaian, more of an Akan, more of a Gan, more of a Voltarian, more of a Notna, and you lose that attribute. That's the danger we face in our lives. Nobody will train you alongside their culture and the culture where you are coming from. So see who say if you be nearby. Ye da ye na yem bosome nkro obi na ye oye ne to ye na yem akora ye enu ntini ye ba no edu ne mre so no yetimi wi aye obi anche se yanua edu ne mre so yetimi tutata obi anche ye edu ne mre so yetimi kan ma ne da obi anche nti ye di suban bi ye di nimde di bi na ba wiase demom ewiase efa enomum esa ye hyebre ne ye to ye di mfoforo. We had the capacity to carry out the mandate to be fruitful as human beings, to multiply and dominate the earth. Onipa. Why want to say onyame sabi obo kraman and obo jamwa. Me sorry anopa who say jaboye whoa debi emasa ne say jaman why by four. And I mean who kraman odi akurachi ope kurachi no awe. Kraman wo yudompe no pama kronfo. Ejamwa opamu nkura eno owinam. Yesua no na enkranfo ye wonwumbi. Alonte ajuloni ayinye alonte ajuloni ka prepe na enye ne ko chese ejamo ekrofo enti aboa bia woni su ne ba Nyankopon de bo no ya won sakrem enti kraman won ba wotete ne se kraman ba na ne suban ba kraman akoko ofe ne nkosu ya ne maye nkoko na won su eye nkoko enipa ene ebe wiase a esuban de wo ye no ya sakrem. So we begin to have a collection of attributes as humans, that does not reflect the image of God. We begin to collect various attributes from our parents, from our siblings, from other elders, from school, from society, that are at variance with the attribute of God. And therefore we refuse and cease to reflect the image of God. Enti ewumu se onyame bo se ni su ne ban se brabe ye nioma o asase so na bedi nioma nyina so na esansa abrabo aka wa hyenti no wontimi nna ni pasu a enyankopon su ne edi eno ne ye bre ene apinidie ene ahwease ene ohia ene subanfia adware ye no esanse bobra ye de ba wo no watuna jaje mu eno akofa bobre foforo ene de do suko na bisa won say wo ye wan. Who are you? Are you reflecting the image of God, or are you reflecting the image of Kwabena Kwesi and Adwa? Maybe me Tom Wan, maybe me MP. No, you are not an MP. You are an image of God. Maybe me a nursing doctor. Yes, what's there? But it does not define you. What you are doing should not define you. Maybe me a wife and I'm your husband. Into me, my dear, say wife and husband. No. Who you are in your marriage should not define you. You must be defined by being an image of God. Aha, and a major war. Musa was sombo. Na ochina. Meba, ebe kwa swedi jumede we kosimra ebe to asumu na wasakra woni yemu na wate abapa Nyankopon ne hia wo mu. Meda so asa wo mra hwa me. Na meda Adom TV adwumako nyina ase a production team Thomas Priscilla ena eja we be kampedu me camera ene me sound fo nyina me da wase wo a wonya amra hwe me no woni onyame entina koso ana hwe badwuma gimadi